So, you want to get started on creating your marketing content? We have you covered. In this video, we will discuss how to create your own marketing content in detail. Creating your own marketing content is not just something you do on a whim. Great marketing content is planned out by a whole team of publishers, writers, designers, and so on. In able to create great marketing content, you first need to understand that you should first focus on building the interest for the readers and offering value to them. If you provide great value and you supply information based on what your customers need, there is a higher chance of customer conversion. Take the popular makeup website makeup.com by L'Oreal for instance. This website was created to provide useful tips and content to the readers. It does not link to a product or sales directly. However, it does demonstrate how the brand can give their consumers the lifestyle they want. To create great marketing content, you need to use your resources and think like a publisher. As we've said, it is not just creating content for everyone to see. It touches on a number of the departments in an organization. There are marketing, sales, customer service, human resources, corporate communications, and website management teams, all of which should be aware of the content marketing strategy for your business. All of these teams need to coordinate with each other to create great content. However, there will be times when coordinating content between all of these big teams can be challenging, especially if the turnaround times are tight. This is why it is extremely crucial to not only look at where content production should live within your company, but also map out the workflow of content creation. As we've said, it takes time and a lot of planning to pull this off. Ask yourself these questions. Do you need designers to be involved in this content? Where does quality control takes place? Where can a piece of content be adapted and reused on a different distribution channel? These are only some of the key questions that needs answers when creating your marketing content. Some companies hire their own content manager. Some build in-house departments. Whether you are hiring someone or building an in-house team, the fact still remains. Every decision must be made and planned so that the workflow can be mapped ahead of time. Having a well-planned and well-mapped marketing content helps facilitate your strategic needs. When it comes to creating your marketing content, there is a constant content planning. Always planning your content is necessary so you can deliver to your audience on a consistent basis. Delivering content to your audience on a consistent basis helps build relationships and engagements. In return, these relationships and engagements convert into sales. With today's constantly evolving technology, there are different content requirements and objectives that will help you determine the structure of your content teams. Does your company need an ongoing content creation, or is it more beneficial for your organization to put high-input forms of content in a less frequent manner? Distributing the content you have made is not just simply uploading it onto your choice of channel. There's more to it than that. You first need to consider the algorithmic curation. Almost all of the platforms today have created their own algorithm which helps them with the information overload. These algorithms help filter out the amount of information that is delivered to their users. There are several factors in each algorithm that helps determine what is actually relevant to the user or what is interesting to them. When it comes to creating your own content, be sure that it is engaging and shareable. The more user engagement your content gets, the more it will reach a broader audience. You also need to understand the channels through which you are planning to share your content. Pay attention to these channels. Understanding them is as important as crafting the content itself. Your brilliant content will only reach people effectively if the channel supports the message you are trying to put out there and vice versa. Here's an example of a great outline which can help you plan and create your marketing content. Brand style guides refers to the tone of voice and brand personality you want to present. It also refers to your brand's representation visually, the fonts and colors used to represent your brand. Content Calendar assists the content marketer in planning the content they will be sharing, across which platforms and when. Workflow Map contains the path a piece of content takes when it is created. This will help your content creating process be more organized. Persona Map helps the content creators in focusing on those for whom they are creating the content and what the motivations of consumers would be. Remember, your content marketing strategy can help you create great content that your audience will love. And the more your audience loves it, the bigger, better, and more popular your brand will be. So, the question is, are you ready to envision your brand's future with the help of great marketing content? Share it with us in the comment section below. Like this video and subscribe for more awesome online marketing tips. We'll see you on the next one.